Using a probe, unsnap the access cover and remove it. Remove the 2 screws securing the back cover. With a flat head probe, starting at the power button, unsnap the back cover along the edge. Lift up and remove the back cover. Disconnect the battery cable. Remove the 7 screws that secure the battery to the system. Lift up and remove the battery. Release the vibration motor and unroute the cable. Disconnect the volume button cable. Disconnect the I/O cable. Disconnect the power button cable. Remove the 2 screws from the digital board. Lift up and remove the board. Disconnect the speaker cable from the system board. Using a probe, release the speaker from the chassis. Release the power button cable from the speaker. The left speaker is removed. Unsnap the camera connector and remove the module. Release the ZIF connector and peel off the conductive tape. Disconnect the cable and remove the front camera. Disconnect the cable from the system board. Release the speaker from the system and remove it. Disconnect the touch screen cable. Disconnect the display signal cable and digital board cable. Remove the screws that secure the system board. Lift up and remove the system board. Remove the 2 screws securing the I/O board. Lift up and remove the board. Using a probe, release the antenna module and remove it.